Hello students, welcome to Smart Education. It's me Padmadeep here. Today we are going to do a looping program in C. We will print from 1 to 20 all the even numbers. So in this program you will learn how we will print from 1 to 20 all the even numbers. So let's do the program. Here you see I have opened a C programming app. You can also use this app, Coding C. This one you will get in Play Store, but if you have computer you can use Code Blocks, Turbo C or D++ or any other software where you can do your C program. So let's do the program now. So in this program we will just print from 1 to 20 all the even numbers. So here you can see has include stdio.h and int main I have already written. Then you have to use the curly brace here starting, then enter. Then you have to declare a variable. So if you have to declare a variable, then just write here int, then leave a space, then you can declare a variable. So here you see I'm going to use a variable. Then see here we are going to use while loop in this program, so that's why we are just going to initialize the first value from 1 to 20, the first even number. You see first even number from 1 to 20 is 2, number 2. So number 2 is the first even number from 1 to 20. So we will write here a equal 2. So this is the initialization we have done. Then enter. You have to write while, then bracket start, then you give the condition here a less than or equal to, here you write less than or equal to 20, then bracket close, enter, give a curly brace again. You need to give the curly brace again. This is the while curly brace, and this top one, this is actually the main that functions curly brace. Here you see this is while curly brace. So after this enter, and here we will write the loop body which will be executed. Here you see I'm going to write printf because we need to display on the screen. We will display to a, but you have to write here within double quotation percentage symbol, then d, then double quotation you close, give a comma, then you need to use the variable. So here variable you see we are using a variable because this a will be 2 at first, then it have to become 4, 6, 8, like that it will have to go to number 20. So here you do one thing, after writing this comma then a, see this you can, after comma you can leave a space if you want, and if you don't want to leave you can write directly, but I'm going to leave a space because it looks good, that's why. Then close the bracket, then semicolon, then just enter. And here you have to use the increment, that means update. First it is number 2, you can see int a equal to, then we'll check the condition here in while a is less than or equal to 20. Yes, because a is now 2 is less than 20, so it's correct, that's why got the permission to execute the loop body. Here you see printf percentage d comma a, that means a value will be printed, will be showing on the screen. Now after showing, now we have to increase it because from 2 it have to become 4, then 6, that means every time 2 increment, that means plus 2 needed all the time. How many times it will repeat? That many times, plus 2, then you will get all the even numbers because we have started from 2 plus 2 4, then plus 2 6, like that plus 2 need to be increased every time. So let's see this one. Next what we will do, so first when you have to increase, then you have to write a equal a, then plus, then write here 2, then semicolon, then enter. now you have to close the while body part, then come down and write here return, leave a space, write 0, just type 0, semicolon, then close the main, that main functions curly brace, that main body curly brace. At last you have to give it ending, at the ending you have to give curly brace. So I'm going to give the closing curly brace. So this is like that we have to write the program. Now let's run the program. What will come, you see, we will just touch on the run button on the right side. On the top you can see run button. I will just touch there. Now it's compiling. Now you see on the screen, you can see here 2 4 6 8 1 sorry 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20, all the numbers came, but it came together. It's not looking good actually. That's why we have to do one thing. We will just do one thing. We will give here on the source code after percentage d, that means the percentage d every time will display that a value will come in percentage d, 2 for all the numbers. So after percentage d we will give a new line. So if you have to give a new line, we have to use escape sequence. So we are going to use here backslash n, but it's see most of the people we say it's slash n, but the symbol is backslash, remember. Okay, so backslash n, just you see. Now I will run the program. Now just touch on the run button. Can you see now it came in new line 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. So this is the way actually from the starting number to last number we can just display the even numbers. Here starting number we have taken 2 and the last number we have taken 20, but it can be anything. Starting number may be different and the ending number may be different. It is according to your question you have to write. So hope you understood, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.